Hello students, now you will see the second question of exercise 14.2. Second question of exercise 14.2. 14.2 second question. So how will you find out? Here second question. The following data is given lifetime and the frequency is given for 225%. Question number 2. Lifetime and the frequency. What is the lifetime given? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. And the frequency is given 10, 20, 35, 52, 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Total 225. Okay. So you want to find out determine the model lifetime. Model lifetime means mode. Model lifetime. Model lifetime means mode. It is your frequency, then it will be the max. Again, wrong by mistake. I have done this wrong. So what will you get? What is your frequency? Your model class is 61 is the and 60 to 68. So maximum frequency, what is the model class? Model class is 60 to 80. So it is the F1, it is F0 and it is F2. L 60 and H is 20. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values and get your result. What is the 60 plus 61 minus 52 upon 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 multiplied by 20. You can solve and get your result. Question number 3. In the question number 3, what is given? The following data are given here. Also find the mean of monthly expenditure. Here two parts is given. Mean as well as the mode, both you want. Mean in the last previous exercise I have told you 200 families are given. So 1000 to 1500. What is given? Expenditure 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500 and 4500 to 5000. It is the FI is given. Number of families are given 24, 40, 33. 24, 40, 33. 28, 30, 22, 16, 7. It is 200 families. What is given? 200 families is given sigma Fi for mean. Which is the maximum frequency? 40. It is the maximum frequency. 40, then what is the model class? Model class will be 1500 to 2000. It is F1, it is F0, it is F2. I hope you can do the H. What is the H? 500, L 1500, F1, F0, F2, and then you calculate the mode. For the mean you also apply x bar is equal to a plus d bar. Apply this formula, find the mean and compare the result. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. the following distribution given in a state-wise teachers, you find out interpret the two measures, mode and mean, both you want to find out. Number of student per teacher, that is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. FI is given here 3, 8, 9, 10. 3, 8, 9, 10. 3, 0, 0, 2. How many? Here, interpret the result. 35 teachers. How many? There is the state-wise teachers given, total is given the number of states. It is the number of 35 states. This is the number of students per teacher is given. You find the first, you find out the what? Mode. It is F1, F0, F2. Model class. 30 to 35. L 30, H 5, F1, F0, and this is given. Calculate the mode L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values and find the mode. For mean, what will you do for the mean? Mean you apply shortcut method or deviation method. Find out xi and then you calculate. How will you find? You find out the xi. Find the xi. How will you get for the mean? Xi is 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5. I am taking one mean and middle value, then adding 5. 47, 52.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So any one you take. I am taking this as A. So di is equal to xi minus a fi di. Here you will get 0, 0. Here you will get, what is the class size? Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. Plus 5, plus 10, plus 15. What is the class size that you will get? If you apply the shortcut, then very small you will get. 10 5 the 50. 10 9 the 90. 15 8 the 120. Minus 60. 0 0 15. So you will get here sigma fi di plus 15 and minus 32 minus 320 and then it is 3 minus 305. So x bar is equal to a plus b bar. What is the a? 37.5 plus minus 305 upon 35. 5 7 is 35, 5 6 is 30, 5 1 is 5. Minus so you will get 28.79 is the mean. What is your question? Question number 4 you are getting 28 point 79. 37, 35, 15 to the 30. Here one way wrong I have written. Here it is 30 plus 30. That's why some difference is coming. Here you will get what is minus 290 by 35. $58 upon 7 8 ja 56, 7 2 ja 14, 29.3. That is 29 approx. That you will calculate the question number 4 you are seeing. Question number 4 is over. Question number 5 will see what is the question number 5 given. Question number 5 is here. The given distribution table is find the mode. It is given in 3000. So what is the maximum frequency is given. Question number 5. Maximum frequency is given 80. So it is your F1. So model class will be 18, 4000 to 5000. 4000 to 5000 is the model class. And F1 is equal to 18, F0 is equal to 4, F2 is equal to 9. H is 1000, L is equal to 4000. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H means 1000. That you will calculate. Here question number 5. Very simple it is given. And question number 6 is given. Question number 6, what will you do? You find out the mode of this. Mode also you want to find out, no need of table. What is the question number 6 is given. Maximum frequency is 20. Maximum Fi is 20. Therefore, model class. Model or mode. Model class will be 40 to 50. F1 is equal to 20. F0 is the 12. And F2 will be 11. L is equal to 40. H is equal to 10. Put the values here. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You will get your answer. Solve calculation part yourself and then we'll start the median for the grouped frequency distribution table. Median, you have seen the median by the simply data given, but here you will illustrate. Thanks.